If you're looking for a way to strengthen your immune system, build your resistance to parasites, and improve your metabolism, don't throw away the peels. Lemons and grapefruits have been getting a lot of attention lately, so I decided to use both these fruits to make my daily immune tonic that I like to take about 1 tablespoon a day when I'm having generally healthy days. Stay until the end of this video where I will give you one more advantage to keeping this tonic in your fridge because your skin will thank you for it. I use 3 lemons and 3 grapefruits. Wash it very well and scrub them, especially if you're not using organic fruit. After you've dried the fruit, peel everything. And you want to keep the flesh of the fruit because that's a wonderful garnish, or you can use it in a tea or add it to your water for hydration. Add the peels to a pot. I used about a 3-quart pot and I filled it with filtered water just above the level of the fruit. But be careful that the peels will float, so you don't want to add too much water. During the cooking process, keep everything closed, keep the lid closed. Now, lemon water itself is very good at decreasing cholesterol, helps with weight loss, promotes a healthy microbiome, and all citrus peels have anti-cancer properties. The citrate in lemon juice itself combined with oxalates in the body to help prevent kidney stones. In this video, you'll see that I uncovered the pot, but that's just to show you what the peels look like during the boiling process. So after about 2 to 3 hours of simmering, let everything come to a complete cooled state and squeeze out the peels to extract the excess juice. You want to strain the juice into a glass container. I used a measuring cup first, and I did have a low yield of juice in this particular recipe, so it's not going to look like a full container in this video. Fill it up, and you want to store this sealed in the refrigerator. You can also freeze this if you keep it in a sealed mason jar, so it does hold for a while. I use a little strain cap to just strain out any residual pulp when I dispensed it into my tablespoon or a little shot glass for my daily dose. On a maintenance basis, like I said, 1 tablespoon a day is good. If you're having symptoms, you may want to do that every 2 to 3 or 4 hours, but check with your physician. What did I do with those peels? Well, I baked them in the oven at 170 degrees and for about 3 to 4 hours, and then they come to a crisp. Crumble them up. You can make a very wonderful hot citrus tea. Hot fluids are actually better for you for detoxification and your immune system. Let's talk grapefruits. Grapefruits in particular have very good qualities for skincare. Both lemons and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, and this is good at reducing blemishes, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. You can combine it with yogurt and use it in a mask or dab it directly onto your skin. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.